Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. Over here we have the Gshock GST B400, and as the title of this video says, I'm going to show you how to align your watch hands or how to sync your analog and digital time. So let's get started. Adjusting your watch hands is done like this. From the standard timekeeping mode, press and hold the adjust button for at least 5 seconds until sub starts to flash on your digital display. So let's go. Press and hold. Hold it. Hold it. Not yet. Now release it. So a double beep is the signal for you to release it. First in a row of settings is setting our mode hand over here, and that's it, this propeller-like hand. Over here, this line on the propeller should be exactly aligned at 9 o'clock. Currently it is, but if it's not, you can press either light button or surge button to get it exactly at 9 o'clock. When it's corrected exactly at 9 o'clock, which it means that it's in the correct position. Once you have aligned your mode hand, press the mode button once again, and we are in the position of aligning our hour and minute hand. They are properly aligned currently, and they should be exactly at 12 o'clock, both of them. And if they are not, you can press either light button to move it anti-clockwise or surge button to move it clockwise. If it's way out of the alignment, press one of those two buttons. It will engage the fast rotation. Again, press and hold it for a brief time, and it will engage the fast rotation, and one button to stop the fast rotation. One of these two buttons, by pressing it in increments, will align them properly and correctly. Once you're done, simply press the adjust button, and the watch will implement the settings, and your analog time should correspond to your digital time. Thank you very much for watching. That was a tutorial on how to align your watch hands on the Gshock GST B400.